Number 1.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500, powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a strong 4WD drivetrain that's ready for any terrain. With 205,000 well-used miles on the odometer, it's a solid truck that still performs well. The exterior is finished in classic red, while the interior features a practical gray finish. It runs on gasoline and comes equipped with a tow package perfect for hauling or work duty. The frame is solid with no structural concerns, showing the trademark toughness Chevy trucks are known for. Recent maintenance includes brand new shocks on all four corners, new rear drum brakes with fresh drums and hardware, new headlights, a new chrome grille, and new taillights, ensuring it's ready for the road. As expected from a truck of this age and mileage, there is some body rust and typical cosmetic wear and tear, but nothing out of the ordinary. It comes with a clean title and is ready to drive. A great candidate for someone seeking a reliable workhorse or a project with strong bones.
Number 2.
1991 GMC 1500, price $6,500, powered by a strong 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It delivers smooth and consistent performance. It features power steering and power brakes, offering comfortable handling and control, while the manual windows maintain the simplicity of classic trucks. The exterior is finished in white, and although the paint isn't perfect, it still presents well and has a clean look overall. The red interior adds a striking contrast and retains its classic appeal. This truck has no rust, a rare quality for a vehicle of this age, and it rides quietly, even over bumps, without any rattles, indicating a well-maintained chassis. Additionally, it comes equipped with aftermarket headlights and taillights that give it a modern touch while maintaining its vintage character.
Number 3.
1995 Ford Ranger, price $3,000, with 127,000 miles on the odometer. It's powered by a strong 4.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and 2WD. The exterior and interior are both finished in gray, giving it a clean, consistent look. The truck runs and drives just like you'd expect from a Ranger, reliable and sturdy, though it does have the typical steering play common to older Fords.
The paint is in decent shape, and impressively, there's no body rust.
The only rust visible is some minor corrosion underneath the doors, mainly on the passenger side. It comes with a clean Carfax and has proven itself to be a solid vehicle for just about any everyday task. The heat works great, and the AC can blow cold again with a new compressor. Currently, the pulley is bad, but it still holds a Freon charge just fine. All in all, this Ford Ranger is a well-kept classic that's perfect for anyone looking for a practical, affordable, and increasingly collectible truck.
Number 4.
1995 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000, equipped with a powerful 454 big block engine paired with a mild cam for enhanced performance. It features a TH400 automatic transmission that shifts smoothly, and a gear vendor overdrive for better highway efficiency. Recently, it received a new flywheel and high torque starter. The truck has a clean white exterior and a blue interior, both in great shape. It's been repainted and features a steel cowl hood, giving it a bold, aggressive look. Inside, the cabin is in excellent condition, equipped with power windows and power seats for added comfort and convenience. It runs on gasoline and is ready to work, complete with a gooseneck ball installed in the bed, making it ideal for towing. The air conditioning system used to blow ice cold but may now need a recharge or compressor replacement.
Number 5.
1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, roadworthy classic that's ready to hit the streets as a dependable daily driver. With a striking red exterior and a matching red interior, it delivers both vintage charm and bold visual appeal. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 350 cubic inch engine from Jegs, offering solid performance and a deep, confident rumble. It's paired with a brand new 700R4 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable shifting whether you're cruising through town or heading down the highway. The interior has been given a fresh update with a new seat cover, while tinted windows provide a sleek look and added protection from the sun. This truck runs on gasoline and has been maintained in clean condition, both inside and out.
Number 6.
1969 Ford F100, price $6,500. This truck is a solid classic pickup featuring a white exterior paired with a brown interior. It is equipped with a small block 302 Windsor V8 engine, fitted with a 2-barrel carburetor, and mated to a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs and drives well and has received several recent upgrades that improve its reliability and performance. Some of the work that has been completed includes the installation of a new gas tank, a front disc brake conversion for improved stopping power, a new starter solenoid, and a new battery. Additionally, it features new valve covers, a new distributor, new clutch pivots, and an upgraded electric fuel pump, powered by gasoline. This F100 offers a classic manual driving experience and has been well maintained with several modern enhancements to ensure it remains roadworthy.
Number 7.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,000. This pickup is a high-mileage 4x4 truck that's been well cared for and remains mechanically solid. The body has 396,000 miles, but a new 5.7L crate engine was installed 131,000 miles ago, and a remanufactured 4L60E transmission was recently added, both with documentation. It has a blue exterior with paint fading and peeling on the hood and roof, and a gray interior. The dash is cracked but covered, and the only non-working gauge is the fuel gauge.
A C and heat work, though the fan only runs on high.
It also features brand new 10-ply tires, a plastic bedliner, and a strong service history.
Reliable and ready for work or light restoration. Number 8.
1978 GMC 1500, price $4,900. This truck is a well-preserved classic pickup featuring a long bed and a matching tan exterior and interior. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck is mostly original, having been purchased directly from the original owner. It still retains all its factory components, making it a solid candidate for collectors or classic truck enthusiasts. Mechanically, the truck runs well, though it doesn't get driven frequently. As a result, the battery may need a jumpstart, so bringing cables is recommended. With its original charm and dependable performance, this GMC 1500 stands as a timeless piece of American truck history.
Number 9.
1989 Ford F350, price $6,995. It's powered by Ford's legendary 7.5L V8 gas engine, known for its durability and torque. It features an automatic transmission and is equipped with dual rear wheels, making it ideal for heavy towing or hauling loads with confidence. Finished in matching red exterior and red interior, this truck carries a bold, vintage look that stands out. The long bed and robust chassis make it fully tow-ready and perfect for anyone needing a reliable workhorse or a solid platform for restoration or customization. Whether you're using it for daily duties or looking to preserve a piece of classic Ford history, this F350 offers both capability and character in one tough package.
Number 10.
1986 Ford F150, price $3,800, features an automatic transmission and comes in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior. It's powered by a strong 5.0L V8 engine paired with a reliable automatic transmission, both of which perform very well. The truck has received several new parts recently, including a new fuel pump mounted on the frame rail, a new fuel pressure regulator, a new thermostat, a new radiator, and a full new exhaust system. It also sits on a new set of wheels and tires. In addition to what's currently installed, the sale includes patch panels for the bed, a set of stock wheels and tires, and an extra full set of tires. While the truck is in good driving condition and is used regularly, the rear brakes do need attention. They haven't been gone through yet due to time constraints.